One thing you're gonna see all over YouTube is people talking about how you can get a free laundromat without having to spend any money. And in this video, we're gonna talk about the truth behind the whole free laundromat process. The thing is, the free laundromat is not a scam. There are actually ways to get a free laundromat, from things like the owner financing to finding a partner who will invest and go and invest in the laundromats with you, where they put up the money and all you do is run it and they pay them back the money. You know, when the laundromat starts making money, there are multiple ways that you can go about having a free laundromat, and you can actually potentially have a free one. And there's a lot of people that have done it. There's a lot of people that are still doing it. So when it comes to the word free and laundromats, yes, you can actually put those words together. But just like everything in life, if I were to come and give you a free car, if I were to come and give you a free house, if I were to come and give you a free anything, there are things that come with it, right? So for an example, if I came and gave you a free car, you still have to pay for gas, you still have to pay for insurance, you still have to pay for maintenance, you still have to pay for everything that comes with the car. Yes, I could give you the car for free. The car could be yours for $0. I could literally just give you the keys and say, hey, this car is yours now. But what happens? Like I say, you still have to pay for the gas. Or if not, the car is not going to run. You still have to pay for the insurance. If not, the car is not going to run. You still have to pay for the maintenance. If not, the car is not going to run. And it's the same way with laundromats. You can get a free laundromat, and it can be totally free. But to run that laundromat, you still have to pay for the machines. You still have to pay for the rent. You still have to pay for the lease. You still have to pay for the insurance. You still have to pay for the utilities. It's one of those things where the laundromat might be free itself, but you might get the laundromat with no equipment in there. The laundromat might be free itself, but part of the reason why somebody was selling it is because the laundromat's not doing that well. So you might get a bad looking laundromat that you have to fix and invest in. That's why when it comes to free laundromats, you can't be completely broke and get a free laundromat, because the problem is there's going to be money that goes into fixing up the laundromat. It's going to be money that goes into turning the laundromat yours. And whether you have to fix the machines, whether you have to put new signage, whether you have to break down the walls, put new electrical, put a new AC, whatever it is, there's going to be some type of work that you have to do to that laundromat, because if not, it would have already been making all the money in the world, and the person who sold it wouldn't have sold it to you. Okay, so it's one of those things where, yes, you actually can get a free laundromat. Nowadays, it's easier than ever to get one. And like I said, just like you can get a free house, just like you can get a free car, you actually can get a free laundromat. But just like everything in life, there's things that comes, there's exceptions, there's rules. And there are things that come with having the laundromat. So like I said, when you have a laundromat, you still have to pay for the expenses that come with the laundromat, okay? And like I said, some laundromats you might get for free, but it's not gonna be a whole intact laundromat. Machines are the newest, the customers are coming in every day, you know, everything's already set up, and the lights are on all the time, and it's open 24 hours, and everything is clean. Because why? Because they wouldn't sell it. If you had a business that was making you that much cash and everything was going well, you would not sell it. And if you do sell it, you're not gonna give it away for free, okay? So it's one of those things where, like I say, it is possible to get a free laundromat. The whole process, you can get a laundromat for free. Like I said, you can have the keys to the store where you go into the laundromat and it's yours. And the only thing you have to start paying is the lease when you start paying it. And like I said, some of the negotiations that you can even do is to where whenever you're signing your 15-year deal, you do what they call a rate abatement, meaning you could say, hey, I need the first year off because this is the first year where I'm going to be putting all the effort, the maintenance, and the struggle into the laundromat, and we don't want to crash before we even start. So it's one of those things where, yes, you're letting me have this laundromat for free. So if you're talking to the landlord, yes, you're letting me have the laundromat for free because I'm not putting anything down, and I'm going to pay you. If the person wants, say, 100 grand, 200 grand, 300 grand, you're saying no problem. I'm going to pay you that 200 grand. I'm going to pay you that 300 grand, but it's going to be over a 15-year period. And every month I'm going to pay you a lease, and that lease is going to give you your money, and that money is going to give you the price of the laundromat. And eventually, I'm not going to have to pay you anymore. Eventually, I'm going to fully own the laundromat, and I might even pay you off sooner. I might increase the rent that I pay you by 2-3% each month just to account for inflation, whatever it is. But it's one of those things where, at the end of the day, like I said, it is possible to get a free laundromat. It is possible to get one completely free. You can get one signed over to you for no money down. But it's not about getting the laundromat for free that's the problem. It's what comes after that's the problem. Because like I said, the laundromat is yours now, but now you have to put in money to keep it going. Now you have to put in money in the equipment. Now you have to put in money into the building. Now you have to put money into the electrical, the wiring, whatever it is. And yes, there are a lot of things that you can do because, like I said, you're going to have a 24-hour store running using Alexa. have the security guards and the police on standby, and it's one of those things where your store can take off eventually, but there are things that you have to do to get it there. And yes, sometimes you can, if you buy a store that has only half of the machines working, or if you get a store for free that has only half of the machines working, you can use the money from the half of the machines to fix the other half, and then use the money from all the machines to eventually, make more money. But it's one of those things where, like I said, you can get a free laundromat, but there are things that comes with it. The laundromat might be free, but everything else that comes with it is not, because like I said, you still have to pay for expenses, you still have to pay for the utilities, the water, the rent, and all those stuff, okay? So, like I said, you can get a free laundromat, but there are things that come with it. And if you found this video helpful, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.